child is born, and to us a son is given. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Behold, the King is come, and the world is full of light. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Would you carry the child who can make you whole? Celebrate Jesus. Merry Christmas. Won't you come receive the child who can make us whole? Celebrate Jesus. Merry Christmas.
Christmas nzuri tumefurahi, Toto Yesu amezaliwa. Sote tufurahi, amani tele.
We wish you Merry Christmas.
Usikule peke yako, kumbuka rafiki yako. Christmas is a time of giving, a time of laughter and joy.
Twawatakia sikukuu njema yenye fanaka na baraka. Twawatakia